What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another ride review. Today we're in Piqua, Ohio at the Piqua Harley Davidson, and we're getting ready to ride this 2019 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special with the Stage 1 kit. Breather, exhaust, and a tune. This has got so much stuff on it that I'm not going to get a chance to go through all the stuff on the bike. Like, it's got a radio and touchscreen and all that. But I'm just gonna ride it and tell you what I think about how it rides. My buddy Ike just got done riding this bike and he loved it, so he told me I had to take it out for a ride. So that's what we're doing. I don't know if this is a bike that I would actually be into getting, but because I just don't know if I'd get the use out of it, but we're gonna take it for a ride. When I first sat on this bike, I expected it to be a lot heavier than it is, but it's not that heavy at all. What am I doing wrong? Oh.
Hey, you go ahead and start her up. I'll hop on the bike and we'll get going.
This big a bike is a little intimidating, but once you get it off it's not as heavy getting it off of the kickstand as I thought it would be. Sounds good. Sounds good. I love this denim, this flat red, wicked red, whatever you want to call it. This cottonwood is terrible. Holy crap, look at those T-bars. Cool bike. This fairing feels like it's like a mile away from me. Oh, scary. That's the toe shift or the heel shifter. Never used a heel shifter before. Holy shit, this thing is comfortable. Third gear. All right, turn right here. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's so far over, dude. That's scary. Hit the rev limiter. Missed the shift there. That the toe shifter is kind of far away, but the heel shifter is like right there. I can't move my foot at all. Kind of blocks the wind a little bit, but I'm getting like this wavy, gusty wind, and my shin is definitely right against the breather. My hands are so close to me, they're just kind of, and my arms are just a little drooped down. It's a little weird. You got your gear indicator there. I'll try shutting this vent here in a second. Try shutting this vent and see what that's like. When you start leaning this thing, it feels like it's so far. I feel like I'm so far over. It's got some power to it. Definitely getting some wind. It's weird. Let's close this. Got a little worse. I think it's because I'm so tall. I think I need that stuff's so far away. This thing's comfortable. plenty of power. 114, plenty of power. I have to look at the video to see how fast I was going in second gear when I hit the rev limiter. I guess I just need to lean back a little bit. There you go. Maybe maybe I'm trying to set up too close. I don't know. I can see the thrill in owning a bike like this. I can see it. The floorboards are kind of weird. I feel like I'm like pointing my toes in. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of don't mind the toe shift or the heel shifter. Oh, we're so low right there. We're so low right there. How to turn down the radio. There you go. I feel like I probably look dumb wearing this sport bike stuff on this bike. Nice bike, nice bike. I like it. I don't know if this is something I would get though. You know what I mean? I just don't. I think this is way beyond what I would ever use. What's this bike? Versus? The shifter's weird. Like the toe shifter's so far away. The heel shifter's right there at my heel. I can't move my foot back at all. Shifted into first. First is pretty smooth, really. And long. Anyway, this is going to be the end of the ride. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today. And I'll catch you on the next video. This is Woody. Peace and I'm out.